Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Kind Peasant. A moral story: kindness is always repaid. A wise king ruled a peaceful kingdom. His people loved him and he was fair to all. One day, the kingdom was attacked by the neighboring king. As the kingdom's soldiers were not prepared for war, many of the king's men were killed. The king had to flee. He took refuge in a nearby village, where a kind peasant and his wife cleaned his wounds and served him food. "I am grateful to you for saving my life. Come to my palace someday. I will reward you," the king said as he left the peasant's house. Many years later, the king won his kingdom back. However, the peasant never went to him for his reward. The king sent his ministers to bring the peasant and his wife to his palace and said, "I am giving you half of my kingdom. Take care of the kingdom like you took care of me." After that, they ruled the kingdom together.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.